Alright, tell me guys, have you ever used a strategy that actually worked? And not like once, not twice, but consistently? Because what I'm about to show you is a setup that's been killing it for me lately. No overcomplicated systems, just clean entries and real results. Let's go watching. Alright, let's get started with the trading right now, and all the currency pairs with the most optimal movement dynamics and payout percentages are right in front of you. So already done a quick analysis, guys, and these are the most suitable assets for today's strategy. Well, let's move on and start by breaking down the indicators. The first one is a weighted moving average with a period of 20. So here is how it looks. Next is the RSI with the same period, 20, and the overbought and oversold areas remain at default levels, and we are not changing the midline either. And the third indicator is the ADX oscillator with a setting of 15, and we remove the positive and negative lines, leaving only the main one. So it will help us analyze the overall trend and just to determine how overextended it is in either direction. And as we trade, I'll explain you guys in more detail how it works in practice. So don't worry, and let's begin. We're starting with a deposit of $100, so we'll open trades step by step with 1 minute expiration, so that way I can show you as many entries as possible without stretching out the session. Well, the analysis will be done on the 1 minute time frame, so let's start and let's pick the first currency pair for trade. Guys, have a look. So here is our first position, $15, and opening a down trade here. So I'll draw a horizontal line to check the strength of the minimum level. Yeah, that's a strong structural low. The price hasn't gone below it yet. And after this level was updated, we got an interesting setup. So just first, the ADX shows us the trend overload, and it's reaching its peak and signaling a possible reversal. And second, the moving averages started to point downward, confirming a correction in price movement like this one. And we also have a crossing of the weighted moving average from below upward, which signals potential trend change. And guys, suddenly strong bearish volume appeared, but that's fine. We'll open the next trade for $35, and this time already for an up movement. I don't think the trend will keep moving down since this level still looks solid. And based on the analysis that we had before, upward movement makes sense here. And we already see a crossing for me to develop in around, like, guys, 5-6 positions, right? So, and great, so that we could show multiple entries right from the start. And guys, we have a few seconds, about 15 seconds left before the first trade closes. Excellent, so the first trade closed in loss, but the second one closed in profit. Overall, we are up $17. By the way, this the same strategy we use inside my private Telegram community, guys, with my team. So the results are really impressive, and almost every trading session ends in profit because we analyze the market in detail. And what you are seeing today is just a really small part of what's available inside of the group. And guys, if you'd like to trade with us, the link is below. And now let's get back to trading. And we're gonna start with okay, the profit is $17, so that's where we'll start our next trade. Let's continue. And we got a new position here. It's a down trade and the amount is $40 here. And again, we see a renewal of global low, and it's being updated right now, so followed by a pullback. And ADX confirms that the trend isn't overloaded, and the line is at the bottom. So we also see local highs forming, and then the price crosses the moving average from top to bottom. So this is a key signal for this strategy, guys. It's really essential for this analysis here. And we see that the RSI dynamics is around the 50% area, so confirming the crossing from top to bottom. So since we are trading with 1 minute expiration time, we need to act quickly and catch every impulse. But overall, the strategy also works great on 3-minute or 5-minute time frame, so the signals become more reliable as short-term noise is filtered out. And guys, when my team and I trade together, we usually use 3-minute expirations, since longer time frames increase signal accuracy and reduce random fluctuations, and that gives just a wide price range to work with, which can be a powerful tool when used the prop analysis. And guys, let's continue. The balance now is $32, and since it's not that big, we're gonna use this amount for the next trade, and I think we will do it in 2 stages. So if the first one closes in loss, we'll go in again for $42, and the next one will be the final larger trade. The next asset I think will likely be the last for today, so let's continue and pick the next. And guys, just look at this, just look at the charts, and in this situation it's better not to open a trade, and the trend looks overloaded, but the level is not strong enough. There are more reliable areas below, and this one might fail. So, and opening a buy trade here would be risky, but anyway, we could try. But it goes better not to. No. There is growing bullish volume. We'll skip it and move on. I think this asset looks good. I'll stop here. Yeah, I'll open in here a buy trade. And earlier, guys, there were strong bearish volumes, and we're now opening a position on the next candle, just expecting a reversal. So we'll highlight the area. So there aren't many manufacturers to consider here, so strong bearish volume and a structural level acting as support, and a moving average crossing from below upward. That's our buy signal, guys, in this case. Oof. It's a bit of tense moment here, but since we're trading with 1 minute expiration time, that's totally fine. But the candle keeps pushing higher, and the trade The trade closed in profit, guys. So without any issues. Oh god, that's really blessing. So guys, I think we can wrap up this session. In just a few trades, we made $70. And once again, these and other strategies we use in my private community have been tested by me and my team. And as you can see, the results speak for themselves. So, with detailed analysis and precise entries, consistency is key, guys. So, if you want to join us, so the link in the description below. So guys, what do you think? Would you try this setup yourself? Honestly, even after years of trading, this one keeps proving itself over and over again. So guys, tell me your thoughts in the comments. And guys, if you have any questions and you found some unclaimed moments during the watching this one, so go below the video, you'll find all the necessary links exactly to my Telegram where you can message me right now. So like, hi Rachel, just help me with that and so on. And guys, also don't forget about my VP community where you can join us right now. So do that, go there and check it out and see you in the next session.